Hello, this is another video tutorial for your beginner guitar lessons. Building off from the last one, is going to start off with a brand new scale. So continue with your E minor pentatonic scale. You can watch the other video I did to be reminded of that and to practice that and to go through that, starting slow, keeping your picks little, and keeping it clean and steady and slowly building up that speed with practice more and more. So go back to that video to watch more on that. But for this video, we're going to learn a new scale. So we've been doing the E minor pentatonic scale. So we're going to be doing today the A minor pentatonic scale. Okay, so the concept and the pattern of the scale is the exact same, but instead of starting from your open E string, going to your 3rd fret with your middle finger open and then to pointer finger, and then changing between your middle finger on the 3rd fret to your pointer finger on the 2nd fret with the open string first. Instead of the open string, we're going to be doing everything on the 5th fret, which should be on a dot here, okay? With your pointer finger, all right? And that is instead of open. And then instead of your 3rd and pointer fingers on the 3rd and 2nd frets, you're going to be changing from your pinky finger on the 8th fret to your ring finger on the 7th fret, always going back to your pointer finger on the 5th fret. Okay, so I'll just show you the scale and then we can go through it and break it down a little bit more. Okay, so this is what it's going to look and sound like. Okay, so we're going to start with our pointer finger on the E string on the 5th fret. We're picking down. Then we got to stretch up. Now the key with stretching your hand out further is to bring your thumb on the other end down a little bit. So if you bring that down and you bring your hand and wrist around a tiny bit, you can stretch out further than if your thumb is around here. See how far I can stretch? Whereas you bring it down and your wrist around a bit, you can stretch your hand out much more, okay? So just keep that in mind, because this first string is the hardest stretch, with your pointer finger stretching to your pinky finger on the 8th fret, which is not on a dot, okay? So down, stretch pinky, up, then going to the next string, pointer finger, down, then ring finger on the 7th fret, which is on the dot, up. Same on the next string, pointer finger down, ring finger up, same on the next string, pointer finger down, ring finger up, and then next string, pointer finger down, back to our pinky finger on the 8th fret, up, so stretch your hand out, down with your pointer finger, and then on the last string, back to pinky finger on the 8th fret with that stretch, okay? So let's try that again, remembering to stretch with your pinky finger, always going back to that pointer finger on the 5th fret. You want to keep your hand position the same the whole time, moving down the fretboard like that, or down the strings. And you've got one finger for each fret. So we're not using our middle finger or our 3rd finger for this scale. Pointer finger, pinky, pointer finger, ring. Let's try that one more time. So low E string, pointer finger on the 5th fret, starting on A, the A minor pentatonic scale, A minor pentatonic scale. Okay, so down, up with your pinky, 8th fret, next string, pointer finger, 5th fret, down, up with your ring finger, same on the next string, down, up, keep those picks little, down, up, still ring finger, down, pointer finger to pinky now, up, same on the last string, pointer finger to pinky. All right? So this is an extra challenge. See if you can give this a go. Don't forget about the E minor pentatonic scale. Make sure you still practice that as well. But this is an extra challenge to learn a brand new scale, the A minor pentatonic scale. We will go through this more in our lessons, so don't worry if you find it too tricky, but let's give this a go, okay? So let's try it again. Down, up. Cool. All right, so let's move on. In the last video, so keep still working on knocking on heaven's door, G, D, A minor, G, D, C with your patterns and then alternate patterns. But in the last video, we started to learn a brand new song. So just to go back over that, we've got our strumming pattern. So 2 downs in a row, 2 ups in a row, 1 of each. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so the rhythm is down, down, up, down, up. 2 in a row, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So doing 2 in a row, got to come in straight away. So just to go back over what was in the last video, we've got G, C, and D, leaving your buddies there the whole time, just lifting up your pinky for D. 2 patterns on G, 1 pattern on C, 1 pattern on D, and then repeat back to G, okay? So if our pattern is down, down, up, down, up, finishing on the up strum, we've got to do 2 on G, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then 1 on C, down, down, up, down, up. 1 on D, down, down, up, down, up. And then back to G. All right. Now let's learn a little bit of the next part. Again, just as an extra challenge to have something brand new in the video for this song as well. We're going to start on, so that's the verse, okay? So that's the verse of the song that repeats 4 times. This next part is called the pre-chorus, okay? So the strumming pattern is going to stay the same. We're going to go to E minor, so not A minor, like knocking on heaven's door, which is here with your middle finger on. E minor, you put your buddy's upper string and take your middle finger off. It's just your buddies on the 2nd fret of the A and the D string. E minor, okay? E minor, A minor with the finger on, and your buddies down a string each. E minor, upper string, just your buddies, okay? So it's E minor, 1 pattern. So down, down, up, down, up. Then move those buddies down, go to D for 1 pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. Buddies back together, up for C for 1 pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. And then 1 on G. Now G, there's a little riffy part we can do here. So just do down, down, up, that's it. So don't do the full pattern, just do down, down, up. So just like this, down, down, up, that's it, and stop. And then just pick the low E string and go to your pointer finger, pick, put your pointer finger upper string, so the 2nd fret of that low E string, pick, just the 1 string, and then go to E minor and pick the low E string again, and then do down, up, down. So that is the pattern, just 1 pattern, but it's that first down is just the 1 string. So instead of down, down, up, down, up, it's going to be pick, down, up, down, up. Okay? So let me show you all of that again. 1 pattern on E minor, 1 pattern on D, down, down, up, down, up. 1 pattern on C, down, down, up, down, up. And then our riff on G. So just down, down, up, and then pick, pointer finger upper string, just your pointer finger, pick, and then E minor, pick, down, up, down, up. And that repeats. So the full thing all together for the pre-chorus sounds like this. give that a go. It's a whole bunch of new stuff in this video. See how you go with it. Give it a go. Give all the stuff we've done a practice. See how you go with it, and we'll work on it more in our next lesson. Cool.